Alright, what is up, you far out interdimensional beings? Today, I just got a quick tip. It's not too much of a coin review or anything like that, but this is should hopefully help you when you are researching coins for yourself. This is just a little bit of a news source, so I am going to show you how to gather information, more information about the things that you want to know in terms of a coin. So one that I'm going to do here soon is internet computer. I'm still kind of looking into it. I just heard about it recently and haven't really looked into it much further, but let's just say I want to know more about this. So I'm going to come over to news and check out some of the things that came out over internet computer. So there's a lot going on with this one in particular, but you can just go to the news section under CoinMarketCal to find news that is relevant to the coin that you are looking for. However, if you want to figure out what's happening without having to go to a specific coin and figure that out, if you're on the news sites like CoinDesk.com or whatever, that's a good news source for daily updates on the crypto market. But here you have the actual launch days, and basically this is community driven. So what I mean by that is Layer 2 mainnet on Polygon, it has a 94% rating because it's rating for real, because it was voted 575 times, and 94% of those votes were that it was real. So that's kind of how you tell what's coming out. This is essentially what I would call getting ahead of the curve. And this is called CoinMarketCal.com. That is CoinMarketCal instead of cal.com. So why I have these two tabs open is to explain that CoinMarketCap and CoinMarketCal can do wonders for you. Instead of just figuring out, oh, Dogecoin, ooh, money, you can go and actually do some research on the coin itself. I want to look up internet computer, so I come over to the news and I see if there's anything that is related to the coin I want to look up, and then I find it on Cointelegraph or wherever it came out. So then, coming over to the CoinMarketCal, they're going to get a Bitcoin.com listing, student coin, So, hey, now what's student coin? And then I go and I figure out what student coin is, and I see if that's a good coin I want to invest in. And then if it is, then I've got two listings coming out May 12th and May 13th. So that may drive up the price just a little bit, or it may indicate to me that after May 13th, it's going to be on two different exchanges, so it's going to have the opportunity to go up in price after that date. It might spike on those days, but after that date, for the long-term potential that you're looking for, it's going to be listed on these exchanges. So another one is that May 31st, 2021. Polka City is releasing an NFT marketplace. So now I go, okay, well, what's, Polka City? And then I go look that up and I find out all the shit that's coming out with them. There's a lot going on CoinMarketCal. Hopefully I did a good job at explaining that for you. Basically, CoinMarketCal is just helping you get ahead of the curve, so you can go on, find the coin that you're looking to research, and then see if they're up to date, if they're working on projects, if they're putting projects out, and when they're expecting to launch certain aspects of their roadmap. So get on CoinMarketCal and see what that does for you. If you already use CoinMarketCal and I missed something, let me know in the comments below. And until next time, peace.